Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you how I decorated my Dollar Tree candles, not using napkins, instead with my own designs that I printed on Dollar Tree tissue paper. These are the candlesticks that I made in a previous video and the candles that I'm going to show you now. What you're going to need from Dollar Tree are the LED Flameless Candles. Unfortunately, they don't carry these anymore, but my tutorial is with this size. But I do make one with this one, and this is the size that you need to cut your paper down to, 5 by 8 inches for the new candles. You'll need some of the white tissue paper that Dollar Tree carries. And you're going to need a heat source, like a heat tool. I don't know that a hair dryer works. I've honestly never tried. And you'll need some of the double-sided tape the Dollar Tree carries. Next, you're going to go to your Google search and just search for a free Halloween scene and try to find one that is a black silhouette. And then you can just use your Word program to print it out. In my case, I actually went to Cricut and found a design space and found an image that I wanted to use. I imported it and I printed it, used it 3 times to make the size I needed for the candle. Next, I took the double-sided tape and I added it to the shiny side of the tissue paper. And then I'm going to take that and I'm going to place it down on the white printer paper. Originally, I did it edge to edge, but future ones, I don't do it I just kind of do more of the middle of the paper. That way it won't catch in your printer. And then print out your image, either from Word or Design Space or Paint. And there you see that it might bleed a little, or if your printer doesn't have good ink like mine, but then you're going to need to trim it down to fit your candle. So when you're cutting your paper, leave the white printer paper with it and just cut on the printer side, on the paper side, so that it doesn't tear your tissue paper. Separate it from the paper, and now you're going to get ready to attach your tissue paper to the candle. Wrap it around the candle and then take a piece of wax paper with the shiny side facing the candle and just wrap it, hold it tightly, and start using your heat tool to melt the LED wax onto the tissue paper. Remove your wax paper, and you can use that same piece again because there's going to be some wax on it to do the other side of the candle. And there you have it. The candle is now complete. You can also do this on actual wax candles, and it works just great. Quarantino and I hope you enjoyed our project. If you did, please give our video a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and as always, if you aren't already subscribing, please consider doing so. Thanks for watching. Take care.